Area throw salute. Now they welcome for football in Pidgin. After match, talk about how you see them. Portugal 3 and Ghana 2. And we get Oga Austin, we be like, now, Ogbonge football fan, Ogbonge person. Make on tell us about how you see this game. Oga Austin, now how you see the performance for both sides for this match?
The performance for both sides. Portugal perform pass Ghana. Ghana no fit dey move ball go front. E affect them well for this game. If you see the rest African countries wey don play, they dey move ball go front compared to wetin Ghana play today. So Ghana need to work on that thing. And their midfield, the midfield dey porous today. Maybe na because of the kind midfield the opponent get to. We no know, but Partey performance today, e no join.
So, but I want to ask you now. Get one incident wey happen for inside this match now. That first goal wey Portugal score, that penalty wey Cristiano Ronaldo score, wey be like say na him cause the foul. To you, that ball na foul or no be foul? You think say the ref make mistake to give that ball penalty?
To me, that ball no be foul. Even the Ghanaian players dey protest say okay make him go check VAR. He no check, VAR no call am. So that ball no be foul. Just like wetin we dey see most times for World Cup, every time World Cup reach, dem must get wetin dey rub African players. I no really know, but for me no be foul. The ball no be foul ball.
So with wetin you see today, you think say Ghana still get chances to qualify go the next round?
They still get chance now as far as say 2 games dey, and they need to work on their self. Make they try dey move ball go front. But for me, they still get chance. They go try.
So, but what about the other African countries now? Because today now, all of them don't. With today matches, all of them don't play their first round of games. Which African country you dey tip you go predict say they'll qualify go the knockout stage? With what you don't see for their first match.
With wetin I don see, for my own, I believe Senegal go qualify.
Okay.
But I no know for the rest other 4 countries dem. But me, I tip Senegal to qualify.
Yo, you talk about Senegal now. Tomorrow, Senegal go play Qatar, will be the host nation. For that match, we know say Senegal lose their first match against Netherlands. But for that tomorrow game, Senegal Qatar, what do you dey predict?
I dey predict Senegal to win. Senegal go beat Qatar, but I no fit predict the scoreline.
What be the scoreline?
I no fit predict the
No, tell us
scoreline.
scoreline. Tell us scoreline. Just call one
Okay, I go
scoreline.
give Senegal 3-0.
Senegal to win 3-0.
Yes.
All right now. So, but also I want to ask you about all the teams when they for inside this World Cup now. Most of them don't play their first match. Brazil go play their first match later today. But among these teams where you don't see where they don't play so far, which team you dey predict say go fit win and with what you don't see for their first match?
For me, France don perform well. Despite say people they no too dey talk about France for this tournament, but France don perform, so I dey tip them to win am. They go fit win am.
So to you now, make we dey watch out for France.
Mo dey watch out for France. You know say France na every time like this World Cup dey, nobody dey talk of France. We dey look them say they be less, but at the end they dey come out with something good. So I still believe say that morale fit still follow them for this one. So go watch out for France.
Okay. I want to ask you again now, and before I let you go, Oga Austin, what do you get to talk about some of the upset we dey see for inside this World Cup? Because some teams, everybody look less. You understand? They come the World Cup, they shock people. What do you get to talk about some of these upsets we don't see so far? We don't say, like say more self go still even come for the even the next round of games and for knockout stage. But so far, these upsets that we don't see. What do you get to talk about now?
So far, like your word, more upset go still come because from my own experience since I dey watch World Cup, I dey see am say na this one tight pass. You no go fit rule any country out. If you see wetin Canada here play Belgium yesterday, God, upset still dey come. Na wetin I get to talk.
All right, now, Oga Austin, thank you for your time.